So our test is the YMCA bench press test. For this test, you'll need a barbell, weight plates, 2 safety locks, and enough total weight to assemble an 80-pound or 30-pound load. And it's a flat bench press, and you'll also need a metronome. The fitness parameters are local muscular endurance. And local muscular endurance is the ability of certain muscles or muscle groups to perform repeated contractions against submaximal resistance. This should be performed in a continuous manner for several seconds to several minutes without advantages of rest periods or extraneous body movements.
Some examples of sports or athletes where this test would be appropriate would be for either basketball or soccer players, which use certain muscles or muscle groups to perform repeated contractions against submaximal resistance. And then the protocol for the test is that you instruct the athlete in proper technique for the flat barbell bench press as described in Chapter 14. The spotter/recorder stands at the end of the bench throughout the test to help in raising the bar on a failed attempt and to help the athlete place the bar back on the rack. Set the resistance at 80 pounds for males and then 35 pounds for females. Set the metronome cadence at 60 beats per minute to establish a rate of 30 repetitions per minute, so 1 beat up and then 1 beat down. And then the athlete grips the bar at shoulder width, lifts the bar off the rack, and extends the elbows. Then in time with the metronome, the bar is repeatedly lowered to the chest and raised up again so that the elbows are extended while the athlete can no longer keep up with the metronome. The movement should be smooth and controlled with the bar reaching its highest and lowest position with each beat of the metronome.
Some techniques would be to warm up, to take a breath in at the beginning of the eccentric and breathe out at the beginning of the concentric, and to stay tight throughout the entire movement. Abdominal pressure. Normative data is on table 12.11 on page 282. Your score based on your age and sex and the number of repetitions completed in 1 minute using either an 80-pound barbell for males or a 35-pound barbell for females.